I'm Chris Burnham, and I'm the Senior Director of Lean Strategy at KaiNexus. One of the ways that my team supports you is by helping you develop a solid change management plan for rolling out KaiNexus. We like using a 6-box program to help you anchor your activities in 6 key different areas to make you successful. 1, you need to develop a strategy and action plan. You need to think about how you're going to roll out KaiNexus, who you're going to roll it out to, and defining a role and expectation for every level of the organization. 2, change communication. Change is hard, and it's really important to make sure that you're communicating people to help prepare them for the change at the beginning as they're going through it and to validate that they're going through the change properly. Most people need to hear something 5 times, 5 different ways for it to sit through. So you need to develop a change management communication plan that utilizes all of those channels in different ways. 3, recruit senior leaders. You always need to be on the lookout for senior leaders that exhibit and embody the behaviors that you want in your CI culture. And when you find those people, they can actually help you develop and execute on your communication plan. But the other thing is that they're an advocate for you and your CI culture when you're not in the room. One of the easiest ways that a leader can help in supporting you is by simply saying, when somebody comes to them and says, hey, I have an idea, ask them, is it in KaiNexus? And if it's not, just politely say, hey, go put it in KaiNexus, give it some thought, and then come back, let's have a conversation about it. 4, recognition and reward. This is an area that a lot of people really don't give a lot of thought to when they're rolling out KaiNexus, but recognition and rewarding people is a key component to success. Sometimes the easiest way that you can encourage the behaviors that you want is by simply saying thank you. That's a powerful effect on someone when they're at work of hearing the word thanks for the efforts that you're encouraging them to do. 5, coaching and training. You need to have people who are equipped to help people at the local level. After all, you can't be everywhere all the time. So you really need to think in terms of how am I teaching to teach? And when you're teaching other teachers, that helps follow our mission of spreading continuous improvement. But who are your champions at the closest level that can help assist? Who are your informal leaders that if you gave a little bit of investment in coaching and training could help give you the lift that you want with your CI program? You also need to think in terms of how am I equipping my local managers and leaders to be able to support the things that they want to do in their CI culture. 6, you really need to think about key performance indicators or KPIs as part of your change management process. If you don't have current metrics or baseline metrics for how things are right now, you need to go out and get them. If you do have them, then think in terms of once I roll KaiNexus out, what measurements can I use to demonstrate that I've been successful? The areas that we typically coach people on from our lean strategy perspective is thinking around activity, engagement, and impact. If you have your own change plan, you should absolutely use it. The thing that I would encourage you to do is think about the frequency that you look and that you adjust and react with your change management plan, because change is constant. So when you're going through this process, looking at it every day is not unreasonable. It's really what's new, what do I need to change, what's working. Taking things off of the list and adding new things onto the list as you're going through this process is really going to help make sure that you have the success that I know that you're looking for. If you need help as you're going through this part of your process, reach out and ask. It's important to feel like you have a partner during this phase of your KaiNexus journey, and we do this a lot. We do it every day in helping customers being successful with rolling out and deploying KaiNexus. We're excited for you to go on this journey, and we're even more excited about being your partner.